a symbol right here. Hello. See the result. Hello, it's nice to meet you. How is your day going so far? Got it? Like a human, you are going to get the answer from AI on WhatsApp. And now I am typing, how can I improve my spoken English? Let's see. Wow, there are a lot of ways. AI WhatsApp replied. Do not need to download any extra application. Yes, do not need to download or do not need to install any extra English speaking application in your phone. Just use WhatsApp and improve your spoken English on a daily basis. Yes, just use your WhatsApp. I know that you have downloaded WhatsApp because it is one of the most using application to talk your relatives, to talk your friends, to talk your colleagues, to connect with people, right? So just use your WhatsApp to improve your spoken English.
वो 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 तेरे पास ट्यूटर है क्या?
No?
देन कोई फ्रेंड है क्या जो तेरे साथ इंग्लिश में बात करेगा?
No?
हाँ,
Please just watch this video till the end and see the result.
ये कैसे पॉसिबल रे बाबा?
Same to you. So stick to this video till the end and get to know how you can improve without chatting your friend, without chatting your tutors, or without chatting anybody, how you can improve your English with your smartphone by using your WhatsApp. Yes, there is no need to have any tutor or any friend to practice on a daily basis. Just you need to have a smartphone and WhatsApp. By the way, before starting this video, I request you that if you are new to watch this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro and hit the bell icon so that when I upload more videos like this to improve your spoken English, you will get to know. Actually, this is a new feature of WhatsApp. So let me show you. I have attached the screenshot here. You can see a symbol right here. So this is an update. If you don't have this update on your WhatsApp, then please update your WhatsApp from Play Store. Then you will get this option. So just click on this option. And you can see ask Meta AI anything. Yes, actually this is a AI feature which is available on WhatsApp by Meta. Okay, so at your home, if you don't have anyone to practice your English, no worries, WhatsApp will help you, Meta AI will help you. So you can just simply ask anything like day-to-day life, if you want to improve your spoken English, then you can search how to improve your spoken English, then you can get to know the result. And also if you want to practice your spoken English like with your friend but not human friend, this AI friend, then you can simply chat. For example, I am showing an example to you. So here it's loading. Now ask Meta AI anything. So you have to give permission, that is continue. Click on continue. And here you go. Yeah. So ask Meta AI anything. For example, I typed hello. See the result. Hello, it's nice to meet you. How is your day going so far? Got it? Like a human, you are going to get the answer from AI on WhatsApp. That's pretty awesome. Let's see. I typed great. See the reply. That's wonderful. I'm glad to hear that. So, what's on your agenda for today? See, agenda means what's your list or what's your schedules, you can say. What's your routine? See how rich English is, right? Let's see. Do you have any exciting plans or tasks you would like to tackle? Wow, I'm here to help if you need any assistance or just want to chat. See, like my friend, WhatsApp is replying to me. I'm just asking now, how are you doing now? See, Meta AI replies, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm a large language model, so I don't have emotions like humans. Oh, do. But I'm always happy to be interacting with users like you. See. So, if you have no one to practice your English with, or if you have just no one to, if you have no friends, if you have no colleagues to improve or to practice your spoken English on a daily basis, no need to worry, and don't install or don't download any application, any extra application due to storage issue. Okay, just I know that you are a WhatsApp user, so just use your WhatsApp. With the help of AI, you can definitely get to know how to improve your spoken English or how you can practice your English like this. You are, for example, you are constantly asking some questions, they will reply, and if you want to know something new, then you can also type that. So basically, like a robotic human, you can get to know and you can get the result, you can get your answers whatever you are asking to AI on WhatsApp, right? So this is the new update of WhatsApp. Recently I thought that yes, I should make a video about this because this is the free, and this is going to help you to practice your spoken English on a daily basis or to improve your spoken English on a daily basis. And this is totally free, so this is my obligation to make videos and to make free content to you guys so that you can improve your spoken English on a daily basis. For this, please like this video, please. And if you are new to this channel, then don't be hesitant to subscribe my channel. So please subscribe my channel to get more updates like this. And now I am typing, how can I improve my spoken English? Let's see. Wow, there are a lot of ways. AI WhatsApp replied. Wonderful. My God. See, excellent question. Wow. Improving your spoken English requires practice, dedication, and consistent effort. Here are some effective ways to enhance your spoken English skills. My God. Like a tutor, like a teacher, like a personal English teacher, it replies, I'm really great. So let's see the ways to improve spoken English. Practice speaking regularly. Point to be noted. Listen to English media. Wow, podcast, audiobooks. Okay, speak English with yourself. Talk to yourself, that is actually. So focus on pronunciation, read aloud, take an English course, or yeah, you can see there are a lot of features that AI provided to improve your spoken English. So you can definitely chat like a human. WhatsApp will reply you with the help of AI. That's wonderful. I'm really impressed. And lastly, I said thank you so much. Dear AI. Dear AI. See, you are welcome. It was my pleasure to help. Remember, practice is key. So keep speaking and experimenting with different ways to improve your spoken English. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further guidance. I'm always here to help. Keep shining and your English skills will flourish. Wow, so rich language is. My God. So I'm really grateful to have WhatsApp right now. And let's see it will provide any image or not. Give me picture of sunsets. Wow, it replied with the image. Wonderful. Let's see any video. Give me a video of snow falling. Okay, let me type just. Wow. Okay, but here it's a condition that it will give you from the resources of any video footage which is available on the internet. Okay, you have to remember that. Nice, that's nice. So if you are watching till now, then please like this video, please, because I have provided you a free guidance, a free tool which is WhatsApp, and by which you can practice your daily conversation with Meta AI, and it will be really helpful to practice your spoken English on a daily basis, to improve your spoken English on a daily basis. And I guarantee after using WhatsApp as its Meta AI, you will definitely get to know something new on a daily basis, and by which without any cost you can definitely improve your spoken English. So if this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro and get the bell icon so that when I upload more video like this, you can get to know. I hope you will flourish in your journey to improve your spoken English and to speak fluently. Best of luck.